Guys, today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Meitu app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on me down here. We just click on here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on system accesses management here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on location accesses here. Then you come to next step here, come here to photo edit frames. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here photo edit frames disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.